Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. I am happy to welcome you all for our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. For the class 9, subject biology, unit 18, the name of the unit is organization of tissues. Today we are going to discuss about muscular tissues. In the last class we completed epithelial tissue and connective tissues. Now we are going to discuss about muscular tissues. Muscular tissues are made up of muscle cells. You know very well, tissues is nothing but a group of cells are said to be tissues. The same, muscular tissues also made up of muscle fibers and muscle cells, and they form the major part of the contractile tissues. Contractile is nothing but they have contraction. Okay. They are composed of numerous myofibrils. Each myofibrils is made up of long cylindrical fibers arranged parallel to one another, and based on the structure and location and function, these muscle cells are of three types. One is skeletal muscle, another one is smooth muscle, and third one is cardiac muscle. The name itself you can easily understand the concept. Skeletal muscles is nothing but the type of muscles are always associated with our bones, our skeletal system. So hence it is called as skeletal muscles. The other name for skeletal muscles is striated muscles. Okay. Then we move on to second type. Second one is smooth muscles. They are the smooth muscles, also called as non-striated muscles, and third one is cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are one which is present in the heart. Okay. So there are three different types of muscles. One is skeletal muscles, second one is smooth muscles, and third one is cardiac muscles. First we will see the skeletal muscles. See the picture here, children. What is this? This is the skeletal muscles. It is always associated with bones. This type of muscles also called as striated muscles. See, these muscles are attached to the bones and they are responsible for the body movement. We are going from, we are stretching our hands, pulling some object. So all these activities are by with the skeletal muscles. Okay, and they are also called as skeletal or striated. They work under our control and also known as voluntary muscles. Okay. The muscle fibers are elongated. As I said earlier, they are very elongated, having cylindrical shape, and they are unbranched with alternating light band and dark band, giving them the striped or striated appearance. See the picture here, one is dark band, another one is light band. They are elongated, cylindrical in shape. They have a numerous nuclei, small nucleus is there. Okay. So they possesses many nuclei. Hence they are called as multinucleated. Multi means many nucleus. They occur in the biceps. So the skeletal muscles are present in the biceps and triceps, and they undergo rapid contraction. Okay. The next we move on to the smooth muscles. These muscles are spindle shape and broad at the middle. See the picture here. They are present in the inner lining of stomach and intestine. They are not involving in any body movement. Okay. So these muscles are having a spindle shape with the broad middle part and tapering towards the end. See here, the middle part is very broad and towards the end they are tapering. Okay. So they have only one nucleus. Each cell have only one nucleus. So hence it is called as uninucleate. Uninucleate is nothing but having only one nucleus. These fibrils do not bear any stripe. Hence it is called as non-striated muscles. Can you understand? There is no stripes at all. So it is called as non-striated. Smooth muscles is also called as non-striated muscles. These type of muscles are present in the inner lining of our esophagus, stomach and intestine. Okay, they are not directly involved in any body movement. Okay, see, they are not under the control of our will, and so they are involuntary muscles. The walls of the internal organs, as I said earlier, the walls of the internal organs, esophagus, kidney, stomach, then intestine. See here, blood vessels, gastric glands, intestinal villi, all these organs having the inner lining, it is made up of smooth muscles only. Then the third one is cardiac muscles. The name itself, you can easily know the concept. Cardiac means heart. So these muscles present in and around the human heart. Okay, so it is a special contractile tissue present in the heart. The muscle fibers are cylindrical, branched and uninucleate. So the cells having only one nucleus, hence it is called as uninucleate. The branches join to form a network called intercalated disc, which are unique distinguishing features of cardiac muscles. And then the contraction of cardiac muscles is involuntary and rhythmic. See the picture here, the heart having the muscle called cardiac muscles, they having only one nucleus, hence it is called as uninucleate, and these muscles are having branches, so it is said to be branched muscles. Okay, this type cardiac muscles are only present in the heart. Okay, the next one is nervous tissue. Nervous tissue comprises of nerve cells or neuron. They are longest cell of the body. It is a very important one mark question. Which is the longest cell of the body? Nerve cell or neuron? Nerve cell or neuron are the structural and functional unit of all nerve cells or nervous tissue. They are elongated and slender shaped. So see the picture here, the nerve cell is very elongated. Each neuron or nerve cell comprises of three important parts. One is cell body, and second one is axon, and the last one is terminal branches. Can you understand? So the neuron or nerve cells is made up of cell body, axon and terminal branches. Clear? The dendrons are the short and highly branched protoplasmic processes of cyton. So cyton is nothing but, see here, this part is called cell body. Okay, and this is made up of cytoplasm. Cyton is nothing but cytoplasm. They having a short branched protoplasmic process that is called dendrite. The axon is a long single fiber which possesses the myelin sheath. If the axon have myelin sheath, then it is said to be myelinated nerve cell. Okay, the axon is a single long fiber like process that develop from the axon and it ends in the terminal branches. Okay. Next we will move on to the cell division. All cells are responsible for the divisions. They are having the cell division, and each cell undergo cell division to produce a daughter cells. There are three different types of cell division. The first one is amitotic cell division, second one is mitotic cell division, and third one is meiosis. You know very well, cell is the basic structural and functional unit of all living organism. So each and every cell having cell division, they undergo cell division to produce two daughter cells. Okay, there are three different types. One is amitotic, second one is mitotic, and third one is meiosis. Amitotic cell division is also called as direct cell division. Mitotic cell division is also called as indirect cell division. The third one, meiosis. Meiosis is nothing but reduction division. Okay. The first we will see the amitotic cell division. The name itself you can easily know the concept. A means it is not a mitotic, it is amitotic. So this type of cell division only seen in unicellular organisms, for example amoeba, bacteria, etc. Okay. So it is the simplest mode of cell division and it occurs only in the unicellular animals, aging cells and in fetal membranes. Okay. During amitotic cell division, the nucleus gets elongates. See the picture here children, this is the cell. You know very well, inside the cell you have a well defined nucleus, right? The nucleus gets elongated. See the picture here, second picture, the nucleus gets elongated first and the construction appears in between. So middle the construction appears in it and that construction deepens and divides the nucleus into two. So initially the nucleus divides into two. Once again I am repeating, this is the cell. Inside the cell you have well defined nucleus. Initially the nucleus elongates. See the picture, this is the elongation of nucleus. Then construction appears and divides the nucleus into two, followed by the division of cytoplasm. Okay, so followed by this division, cytoplasm division resulting in the formation of two daughter cell. So the two daughter cell which is formed from a single cell is identical. This identical to that of the parent cell or mother cell. So it is said to be amitotic cell division. It is direct cell division. Initially the nucleus gets elongation takes place and then the construction appears in the middle and it divides into two nucleus followed by the division of cytoplasm. Such type of cell division is said to be amitotic cell division. This type of cell division are only seen in unicellular organisms, example amoeba, bacteria, etc., as well as in aging cells and in fetal membrane. Clear children? Thank you children.